How would you like to never have to record another Facebook Live video again? Well, stick around because in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can grow your network marketing or direct sales business online without using Facebook Live. Hi, I'm Reagan Ramm, the content engineer of paularam.com, helping you grow your business the gentle and quiet way. So, do you need to use Facebook Live in order to grow your business online? Well, the answer is absolutely not. But before I cover how you can grow your business without using Facebook Live, let's first look at why Facebook Live is good. What makes it good? Why do people recommend it? And then how can we kind of do the same sorts of things in other ways? Well, Facebook Live is good because number one, it's easy to do, right? You just turn on your camera, you're live, boom, you can instantly reach people. You can share your content that way, or maybe you're in a company that lets you kind of promote your products through live video. So maybe you can demonstrate your products, easily show people your products, and then get some sales that way. So those are kind of the two ways to use Facebook Live. Is either you're creating some kind of valuable piece of content, so you're doing marketing, you're putting out content that hopefully attracts your ideal customer to you, or you're doing a product demonstration trying to get sales. So Facebook Live is a great platform for this because it's easy to do. You turn your camera on, you're live, boom, you don't have to edit any videos. And the other thing is, when you're live, people don't expect your videos to be as polished or as perfect because, again, it's live. People aren't expecting something that's high production value, high production quality. So you can get away with lower quality. It's easier to do, set up, blah, blah, blah. Now you may be thinking, if you're an introvert, Facebook Live isn't easy, right? You spend so much time, worrying about it, dreading it. You get, all the angst that goes with that. So that is not easy. So in that respect, Facebook Live then is not easier. That being said, you can always grow to overcome that feeling. I used to be the same way. I used to, I never imagined I'd be doing videos online. I hated the idea of doing videos, especially live videos. That was really scary. But then I just forced myself to do them. I had a coach actually who challenged me and the rest of my people in my family business to do live videos. So we started doing live videos, and over time we got more comfortable with them. Some more than others. I'm a little bit more comfortable doing videos now than my mom. She still is not comfortable doing videos online, and she's actually trying to do less and less videos, which is probably why you're seeing more videos from me on this channel. Now, why else is Facebook Live good? Facebook Live is good because it's a video, and video content is basically the number one way of growing an audience, creating content online right now. Its videos are just so high value because they can see you, they can hear you, they see that you're a real person. You can better create that relationship with the people you're talking to. You can better connect with them on a personal level. And in the end, people buy from people, and more specifically, they buy from people they know, like, and trust. So videos really help you increase that know, like, and trust factor. Now, another reason to do Facebook Live is just because Facebook will show it to more people than just a regularly uploaded video. So if you're wanting more people to see your video, Facebook Live can help with that. So those are kind of 3 reasons to do a Facebook Live video.
We're on our way to Key West for our anniversary, and we thought we would try to figure out this Facebook Live thing and give it a shot. But we're having a little bit of a difficulty, right, Keith?
I'm still not convinced about this whole video thing. I'm not really liking this at all.
Everybody says do videos, you gotta do videos because videos are where it's at right now.
So I guess we're succumbing to the peer pressure and caving in.
And not only do videos, but you have to do videos while you're driving. Isn't that right, Keith?
Yes.
So we are driving.
All right, I think we're okay.
We had no accident right there. That's a good thing. We're still driving, we're still okay. We're still figuring out this Facebook thing.
Again, you don't have to do Facebook Live videos to grow your business online. So for the rest of this video, we're going to cover other ways to kind of achieve the same things we talked about, the same benefits of Facebook Live. So instead of doing Facebook Live, you could do a recorded video. So this is something that you take the time to record, and then you edit together out any parts you don't like, and then you can upload that to Facebook directly or to YouTube directly. And then you got a piece of content out there to hopefully grow an audience that's evergreen content that people can hopefully find through search, more so on YouTube than Facebook. And that's a valuable piece of content that you can use to grow your audience and grow your leads. Now, if you're a beginner, you're going to be tempted to try and make your video perfect. You're going to probably stop and start a lot of times. You'll think you messed up and you'll want to keep going over the same line. And it's just going to become a nightmare, and you're going to become discouraged and even less confident of yourself as you continue to overthink it and doubt yourself. And then you have to go and edit that all together, and it's just oftentimes can be a miserable experience. So if you are going to do recorded videos, I would say only let yourself mess up like 1 or 2 times and then just push through it. Just get your video recorded. If you mess up, just keep going. Don't stop the video, just keep recording. And then you can go and you can edit that together and you can put it out on YouTube, you can put it on Facebook. So that's a really good option too. The downside is it does take a little bit more time again, and you're also competing now with everyone else that does edited videos, so you have to have a little bit higher production quality maybe. That said, you definitely don't need to have anything fancy. I mean, look at this video. This video is not fancy. I just went out to my front yard, turned on the camera and started talking, so not very fancy. And that's okay, because what matters the most is the content. What is actually in your video? What kind of value are you giving? Is it helpful to people? But maybe you don't want to do videos at all.
Do videos, you gotta do videos.
But you definitely don't even have to record videos to grow your business. You can create content in other forms. So if you're going to be creating content, you can create written content. So you can have content. You can have a blog where you can post blog posts, or you can do a podcast so you have auditory content. So those are kind of the 3 main forms of content. It's video, audio, and then written. So if you're going to be creating content and you're not a fan of videos, maybe it's easier for you to write, or it's easier for you to just turn on a mic and record your voice just talking about the subject. So those are other ways to create content through the use of these other means, so you don't have to use Facebook Live to create content for growing an audience or in getting leads like that. But maybe you don't feel like you're ready to start creating content at all. You don't actually even have to create content yet if you're just getting started. In fact, the major focus of our business is teaching other business owners, direct sellers, network marketers how to grow their business the gentle and quiet way. That is basically the opposite of hustling, right? You'll hear a lot of trainers talk about hustling, just go, 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 doing as much as possible, going way out of your comfort zone or becoming someone you're not, trying to be this big charismatic figure or something like that in order to grow an audience or grow a brand or something like that. So that's kind of what we're against. We're kind of talking about doing the opposite of that. So that's what gentle and quiet marketing is, the opposite of hustling. It's growing your business a way that you're comfortable with, that is focused on growing your business that fits according to your strengths and your personality, and not trying to become someone you're not. So we've basically identified 3 major pillars, or 3 different major strategies for growing your business the gentle and quiet way. And so one way is building your own brand, creating content, growing that email list so you can follow up. In fact, at the very least, you definitely need to have an email list. That is a huge and gentle way to grow, quiet way to grow your business, because you're just sending emails that people have actually risen their hands and said they're interested in. But that's a whole other topic. But that is kind of one major way to grow your business. You create content, you grow your own brand, you build your email list, and that is one way to grow your business. But you don't have to do that. In fact, we don't necessarily recommend starting out with that, as that is basically, that's the best long-term strategy for growing your business. But maybe you're just getting started, you need to get some results quickly. One way you can do that is with Pinterest. That's another gentle and quiet strategy that we recommend that no one's really talking about, is it's growing on Pinterest. So you can upload images of your products that link directly to your replicated website where people can buy that product. Or maybe you have a website and you create a few pieces of content, videos or blog posts that give tips that are helpful for your ideal customer. You share those on Pinterest. Those can be found. Great thing about Pinterest is whatever you put on Pinterest, that is there for good. People can find it months and even years later, versus like Facebook, where you post something and it's gone the next day. People are never going to see it. It goes down the news feed. So Pinterest is a great evergreen strategy, because Pinterest is more like a search engine. So you can put content on there that links to your replicated website, that maybe links to your blog or other content, where people can then opt in to get on your email list. So Pinterest is a really great and gentle and quiet way to grow your business. You don't have to use Facebook Live. So those are 2 of the pillars of growing your business a gentle and quiet way: growing your own brand and growing on Pinterest. The third way is kind of been the bread and butter of our business. It's how we grew our network marketing business. In fact, it's the only strategy we use starting out, that combined with having an email list. And that is influencer marketing. And that's where you find, first you figure out who is your ideal customer. Who are the people that are most likely to be interested in buying your product, right? It's not the approach that everyone's your prospect. You don't try and reach out to everyone. You only think about who are the people that would absolutely fall in love with this product. I'm only going to find those people and show them the product, right? That's what you want to have in mind first of all. And then once you know that, then you want to find out where they're hanging out online. What blogs do they follow? In other words, what websites are they reading? What maybe YouTubers do they follow, or Instagrammers, Facebook groups, things like that. And then you reach out to the owners of those platforms. So you reach out to the person who is the YouTuber, you reach out to the Instagrammer, you reach out to the blog owner. And then you ask them for a review and giveaway. So you say, hey, let me send you this product. I think you'll love it. I think your audience will love it. Try it out. If you love it, just leave a review on your platform, whether that's their blog or they do a YouTube review. And then you offer also a giveaway on top of that. So everyone in their audience who enters that giveaway has a chance to win a sample of your company's product. And the great thing about that is everyone who enters is raising their hand. They're telling you, hey, I'm interested in this product. I'm interested in learning more. I actually am interested enough that I want to win this. I want this thing. And so everyone who enters your giveaway, you get their email address when they enter your giveaway, especially if you want to use a giveaway service like King Sumo. That's one that we use, and it's completely free. So everyone gives you their email address, and now you're growing your email list by hundreds and thousands of people at a time, depending on how big the influencer is that you're working with. And now that's all people that you can then follow up with. You can send them follow-up emails, letting them know about sales, giving them more tips on how to use the product, or even helping them with other tips related to your product. That is, again, diving into more of the building your own brand category. So long story short, you don't have to use Facebook Live to grow your business. If that's not kind of your speed or not your style, you can create recorded videos, or you can skip videos altogether and create a podcast or a blog, or you can even skip creating content if you're not ready for that and grow on Pinterest or grow by reaching out to influencers. I would definitely say the best way to get started growing your business online is through influencer marketing. So if you want to get started doing that, go ahead and click in the description below where we have a free Quickstart guide that walks you through the steps of how you can start working with influencers so that you're actually not even having to sell the product yourself. You're having these influencers simply recommend it to their large, loyal following. So that is an awesome way to grow your business. And it's a very introvert-friendly, very laid-back, very gentle and quiet way of growing your business. So if that sounds great to you, go ahead and grab that, and then let me know in the comments below what other network marketing strategies or tactics are you being taught that, if you're honest with yourself, you really don't like them, you don't really like doing them. So let me know, what network marketing strategies do you not like? Or in other words, what aspects of growing your network marketing business do you not enjoy? Let me know in the comments below, and maybe we can suggest some other strategies and tactics for you in future videos. So let me know in the comments, and like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye.